Hi, I am Manigandan. I am working as an Android developer in Spiro Group of companies. I am going to discuss about the topic the smartphone-based packet fall accident detection, positioning and rescue system. In this paper, a fall detection algorithm is used. The angles acquired by the electronic compass and the waveform sequence of the triaxial accelerometer on the smartphone are used as a system input. In existing system, concept is design and development of a prototype of an electronic gadget which is used to detect the fall among elderly and the patients who are prone to it. In proposed concept to protect the elderly from the injury of fall accidents, events, or to give an immediate assistance to the elderly after the occurrence of a fall accident event. Existing algorithm is state-of-the-art wearable fall detection algorithm. Proposed algorithm is detection algorithm. Existing algorithm definition is detecting algorithms depends mainly on the body posture and tilt. In proposed algorithm, the angles acquired by the electronic compass and the waveform sequence of the triaxial accelerometer and the smartphone are used as the system inputs. Existing drawbacks: separate device is difficult to use every day. It's less accuracy. In advantages, more accuracy. Every day using handheld device, that smartphone more comfortable. It's better accuracy compared from existing. Application is accident detection and fast emergency rescue. In system requirements, hardware is Intel Core i3 processor, 4GB RAM, 50 inches color monitor, 100GB hard disk, and software is front end is Android XML Java, back end is SQL database, OS is Windows 7, IDE is Eclipse Android Studio. As we discussed proposed system, in future concept, will design smartphone sensor system to detect fall can be both medically and economically helpful. This research introduced a portable terrain adaptable fall detection system by placing accelerometer and gyroscopes in parts of the body and transit data through wireless transmitter modules to mobile devices to get the related information. Future technique is gravity clustering algorithm. Technical definition: research which computes the human body behavior patterns according to the relationship between the center of the gravity in the body and the feet portion of the body. Extravagance: highly accurate and robust. Thank you.